Good morning early risers! Gagawa tayo ngayon ng egg chicharon. Yes, egg chicharon. Kailangan natin ng 1/2 cup flour, all-purpose flour or harina, pare-parehas lang yan. 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup water, 1/4 cup ice, yes, yellow, salt, pepper, optional lang yung magic sarap if you like. Kailangan natin ng oil for frying and 2 large eggs. Early risers, gagawin na natin yung ating egg chicharon butter or mixture. So yung ginamit ko rito na measurement cup is 1/4. So tagda 2 beses ako kumukuha. So 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 cup water. So 1:1. Let's add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, iodized salt, much better. And of course, yung pepper. Yung magic sarap, optional lang. Pero ako kasi yung first na ginawa ko, walang magic sarap, sorry. Medyo matabang ng konti. So ito, yung sachet niya is half sachet lang ang aking ginamit. And the next step is yung mga liquid. Alright, like yung 2 eggs. So again, lagay muna sa cup bago natin i-pour dun sa butter. Kasi nga, hindi natin sure kung fresh yung itlog. So then, add yung 1/2 cup water. Ihalo-halo lang so mawawala dapat yung mga lumps. Yung pag gumagawa ka ng pancake or cake na very smooth siya, ganun dapat. And yung pinaka-trick dito para maging chicharon or crunchy siya is yung yellow. So ayan na, 1/4 cup lang. So we have the same sizes para din mag-create siya ng circle. Use 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. So just scoop in the mixture, the butter, and then buhos lang doon sa mainit na mantika. Make sure mainit yung mantika bago mo ilagay yun. So let's see. Umiibabaw na siya pag paluto na siya. Nag-float. Early risers, ang cooking time is 5 minutes. So one side, the first phase or the first side is 3 minutes, and then pag binaliktad mo na siya, only 2 minutes. So make sure na matigas na siya, you know now it's crunchy. Egg chicharon, ganito siya crunchy. So earlier riser, second time ko nang gumawa nitong egg chicharon. Yung first time, walang magic sarap, medyo matabang. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng paprika. But ito, may magic sarap, highly recommended, early risers. You must try this one. And then, pag hindi nyo naubos, put it in a ziplock, and then kahit kinabukasan pa, crunchy pa rin siya. But make sure it's not greasy or oily, so patuluin mo lang sa strainer. Or you can use paper towel. Early risers were finished. I'm so excited. And you can enjoy with your favorite dip. Ako, suka lang and sibuyas. I'm okay with it. Pwedeng mas maanghang, may sili, or any other dip. So, enjoy! Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed in my channel, please subscribe for more videos. And thank you so much. Have a good day.